Hey everyone, welcome back to Afro Home Automation. We will make your gate, garages, and your gadgets just a little smarter. Today we're checking out the compact, DIY-friendly Wi-Fi switch that lets you open and close gate, garages, and magnetic locks right from your smartphone. This is the Wi-Fi self-lock and inching mode switch, the perfect add-on for automating entry points with app control and voice assistants like Alexa or Google Home. Great for gate motors, garage doors, maglocks, and even solenoids. It supports two control modes: self-locking mode, tap to turn the device on or off, ideal for lights or solenoids. Inching mode, send a short pulse for 1 second, which mimics a remote press button, perfect for gates and garages. Or set inching to 10 seconds for something like a maglock. Here's something important to know. This board uses an isolated relay, which means this relay needs its own power input, separate from the board side, even though you can power both from the same supply. For example, you can run the board off 5 volt via USB and at the same time connect a 12 volt or 24 volt to the relay side if you're switching something like a gate, maglock, or solenoid. Control everything through the eWelink app, available on Android and iOS. You can open close remotely, schedule automations, share control with others, group with other Sonic devices, link a camera so you can see what is happening when you're opening and closing it remotely. Use commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. Okay, Google, open gate. Yes, it's that easy. Now, it won't make your garage any cleaner, but it will open it from the couch. That's innovation. What's in the box? One-time smart Wi-Fi switch with case and one installation guide. Whether you automate your gate, garage, or access control system, this little module gives you a reliable, smart control with minimal wiring. Order yours today at afro.co.za and don't forget to check out our guides for easy setup. Smart, simple, and way cooler than any remote.